Today I will use this washing machine cleaner first time because this washer new. I just moved in this apartment and kind of dirty, smells not good. So I have this tablet special designed for cleaning washer. Inside you will see this white tablet. According instructions, I need to put it inside the tub. Yes, please place tablet inside the tub and select the clean washer cycle. But we don't have clean washer cycle. Nope. So I will use just a normal or even heavy duty. What should I use? Heavy duty or normal? I will use normal. And we'll see. The door wasn't closed. We'll see how it will clean my washing machine. Okay, what happened? Sounds long.